Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete your hometown on Facebook. If you're looking to remove this personal information from your profile, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily update your Facebook profile to reflect your current preferences. Let's get started with the simple process of removing your hometown from Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. From the menu, scroll down until you see your profile and tap on it. Now, you'll want to look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually right below your profile picture and cover photo. Give that a tap to access your profile editing options. As you scroll down the Edit Profile page, you'll come across the Details section. Tap on Edit next to this section to dive deeper into your personal information settings. Keep scrolling until you spot the Hometown section. This is where the magic happens. Next to your current hometown, you'll see a small pencil icon. This is your Edit button. Tap on it to modify your hometown information. Now, instead of changing it to a new location, we're going to remove it entirely. Look for the Remove option and tap on it. Facebook will ask you to confirm this action. Go ahead and confirm that you want to remove your hometown. And just like that, you've successfully deleted your hometown from your Facebook profile. Remember, you can always add your hometown back later if you change your mind. Facebook makes it easy to update your profile information whenever you want. We hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Facebook privacy settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.